Hi, Form 2, video number 8, chapter 6. Okay, new title, neutralizations. Or what's mean by neutralizations? Check your notes, page number 1. Sorry, page number 6 or 7. A chemical reaction between acid and alkaline to form the salts and water only. Chemical reaction between acid and alkaline finally becomes salts and water only. Acid 加 alkaline 最后变成盐加水罢了。Okay, or why 为什么会这样子呢 I show you. Okay, after this. So neutralization is a chemical reaction between acid and alkaline to produce salts and water only. But what's mean by titrations? Okay, 递定法什么意思呢 this is a method that we use. A method used in neutralizing an alkaline by adding the drop of acid into it. So it's a method to neutralize the alkaline. 一种 neutral 掉 alkaline 的方法。But how? You add acid drop by drop into the alkaline until the alkaline become neutral. 递定法一滴一滴慢慢的滴啦，滴到 alkaline 变成 neutral 为止。Okay? Why? 为什么是这样子呢？你要买不要紧张 ，simple 啦。Okay, so acid react together with alkaline to produce salts and water, 变成盐水一杯 and the salt solution actually is neutral. So they become not acid anymore, they are not alkaline anymore, it just become the salt solution, 变成盐水一杯 But why? 为什么会这样子呢 Okay, I using an example. So hydrochloric acid now react together with the sodium hydroxide. Okay, and what are the special characteristics of the acid? Acid 跟 alkaline 它们有什么特征呢？When you add acid into the water, they're going to dissociate. Acid 的分子呢就会解散 to produce the ion called hydrogen ion. So for all the chemical substances that you call acid, when they add them into the water, they will dissociate the molecule in the water. 它在水中解散，它的分子在水中解散 to produce hydrogen ion. So the chemical substance having the acidic properties just because of the hydrogen ion. Same as our alkaline, when the alkaline dissolves into the water, it will produce the ions called hydroxide. So alkaline having alkaline properties because of this ion, 因为这个离子的关系。So now acid and alkaline, you add together, what going to happen? Okay, so the sodium ion from sodium hydroxide, chloride ion from the hydrochloric acid, they join together, become the salts called sodium chloride. Or this is a common salt, 这里的炒菜盐呢。Okay, and now hydrogen react together with oxygen, and hydroxide 不是 oxygen, they will become H2O. Okay, or what's mean by H2O? Water lah. Or this is what we mean. Acid react together with alkaline to produce salts and water, 产生盐加水。You can see the salts because the salt dissolve in water. 你看不到它的盐，因为它的盐溶解在水里面，变成盐水一杯。Okay, so this is what we call neutralizations. Okay. Or any example, we go to this table. Okay, so when you go exam, we are so many types of acid, or we having so many types of alkaline. So your teacher going to using what acid or what alkaline we don't know. But never mind, we try the chemical reaction. 我们试试看写它的化学反应了。Sulfuric acid, they say react together with the potassium hydroxide. It's going to produce a salts and water. But what is the salt? 它的盐在哪里呢？Or what is the name of the salt? 它的盐的名字叫什么呢 Okay, so for all the salt, not all actually, most of the salts, okay, the name in front must be metal. 它名字的前面呢，金属来的。So the name in front follow alkaline. If potassium, it will be potassium. Okay, and the name behind follow the acid. Sulfuric acid going to become what? Sulfate. So the salt produced going to become potassium sulfate. And the detail you have to take chemistry. 你以后要读化学才可以了。So the salt produced is called potassium sulfate plus water. 名字的前面跟 alkaline, 名字的后面跟它的 acid. Okay. Or other example. Nitric acid react together with the sodium hydroxide. So what is a salt solution produce? 它产生的盐水呢，叫什么名字呢 Okay, again, the name in front follow alkaline, sodium, and the name behind follow acid. 后面的名字呢跟 acid, nitrate. Or what is the name of the salt? 它的盐的名字叫什么 Sodium nitrate. Okay, sodium nitrate. Why sodium nitrate? You have to study chemistry 啦，你要读化学才可以了，明白吗 ？So today 你是靠背罢了 ，but not difficult， 不难背，很容易背。 Hydrochloric acid react together with the calcium hydroxide, so the salt is called 它的盐叫什么名字呢 ？Calcium still in front, behind chloride 啦 ，calcium chloride 就是它的盐 ，plus water 啦，加水 ，so calcium chloride plus water. So with the example here, because for acid normally we having 3 pneumonia， 我们只有3个名字罢了，对不对 ？Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid。And then alkaline name also potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium 最多，对不对 ？So in your exam, your teacher may be using different combination, okay, in the chemical reaction. So what happens if the sulfuric acid react together with the calcium hydroxide? 如果这2个人起反应呢，它的答案是什么呢 ？Calcium sulfate 啦 plus water, okay? 还有什么 example？Potassium hydroxide react together with the hydrochloric acid. So what is the name of the salt produced? 它的盐叫什么名字呢 ？Potassium chloride 啦。Okay, so no matter what the combination， 不管什么结合，最后你还是会写，对不对 ？So this is a chemical reactions for the neutralization. Or these are the basic for neutralization. Okay. After this, we're going to talk about a past year question. When I finish the past year question, I finish the title called neutralization. So we go another video. 我们用另外一个 video 来解释。OK， 下的，拜拜，谢谢。